Alright, we found Titan PC Man. Okay. So what's the plan now? Our plan is now to take control of the... What the heck was that? Wow. What are you gonna do about it? You look robotic, like you're controlled. Robot program must obey. What are you doing? Okay, grab this. You're smart about it. And Titan PC Man didn't have to do a thing. Wait, what is he doing? Did he just send him back up? This is very good. With this whole crew, we could continue on exploring this base. Now, what base is this? Let me see. It's Chicken Toilet Base 16. Okay, that makes sense. Now we have to find... Where is this headed? Oh, look at him. I don't see anything wrong with that guy. He might actually have some answers where it is. Okay, there's an explode. The storage room is just around this corner. Whoa, they just advertised me to escape. Oh, I think they're heading there right now. We should head there too. Wait, how is Titan PC Man supposed to get his way through? He's been here before. He knows his way around. Oh, did he show you where it is? Yup. Okay. So he said there was a storage room. Okay. Oh, taser. Yeah, don't let me shot. Remember to stick to the plan. I'm not letting you get it once. You're not failing. Don't you dare fail. Okay, there's spine on them. At least I broke it. Whatever. This base is ginormous. A new weapon. Okay. The storage room is in here. Now I can blow this place to the ground. Warn the others. Got a flamethrower. This won't work very well. Oh, another weapon. Wait, that's the same one. How did an AK-47 get out there? What's this? This looks different. Oh, Looks like I'm staying with this. So where's the explosions? Yeah. This will have to work. Open up, open up. Okay, using hammer. There we go. Now this will work. I'm gonna fight you. There. This shall work. Okay. I'm almost dead, but that doesn't matter. Nah. Mission complete. Now, return back to headquarters as soon as possible. Alright, repeat that. I'm right above.